Since Sushant Singh Rajput's father, Mr. K.K. Singh, has filed an FIR against Riya Chakraborty, there has been a lot of conversation. The Bihar police has now got involved in this investigation. Formally, the team arrived from Patna here. And the latest news that's come in right now is the fact that a PIL that was filed, Supreme Court has dismissed that plea, which was asking for a CBI probe into Sushant Singh Rajput's demise. I'm going to be in conversation with Sushant Singh Rajput's family lawyer, Mr. Vikas Singh. Um, Mr. Singh, can you tell me, what is your action now? There was a PIL that was filed by Alka Priya for a CBI probe, and the Supreme Court has dismissed it, saying let the police do its job. So I would want to understand from you what you think of it.
Well, now the issue really that will remain, if at all, to be adjudicated is whether it should be done at Patna or Mumbai. And according to me, it can't be Mumbai because Mumbai has not even registered an FIR. So a investigation starts only after the registration of an FIR, and Mumbai has not registered. So obviously there is only one FIR today. And if there is only one FIR, then only that FIR can be investigated, and it will have to be the Patna police which will have to do the investigation. And in any case, Mumbai is going on a tangent. Mumbai is, examining the entire film industry. I don't know for what purpose and what is the offense that they have in mind, because police investigation can only start if there is a cognizable offense made out, or if there is an apprehension of a cognizable offense. I don't understand if there is nepotism in the film industry, whether that can be said to be any cognizable offense, and what the Mumbai police is doing all this while. So, really speaking, to say that this should go to Mumbai because they are already doing it would be completely incorrect, because Mumbai is not doing the Sushant Singh Rajput case at all. It's doing something entirely different. It's doing something whatever it suits them. The real culprit is not being interrogated or examined or proceeded against, and you are calling everybody from the film industry against whom nobody has made any allegation. Now, if Kangana Ranaut, supposing, comes on TV and says that there is discrimination in the film industry, that doesn't mean that Sushant Singh Rajput's case should be taken for a ride and looked at only from the discrimination angle, and the criminal angle is completely sort of sidelined. So I don't feel that there should be any problem in the Supreme Court, because if there is no investigation being done by the Mumbai police, or in fact if there is no investigation that they even propose to do, then what is the purpose of asking this to be transferred? And one more thing, Rudrani, in this case, if you see, Riya had been asking for a CBI probe till the matter was being done by the Mumbai police. And now when the Patna police has registered a case, she says send it back to Mumbai. So that means her initial demand for CBI was just, to get the sympathy and to, show that to play the victim card. She never really wanted any proper investigation in this matter. She was confident that Mumbai will not give it to the CBI. So she was saying CBI, CBI, so that, people will think that she is a victim. And now when the Patna police has registered a case, if she really wanted this case to be properly investigated, she should have asked for a transfer to the CBI, which she is not doing. So obviously, her complicity in this case is getting, much deeper and deeper, and her involvement is becoming more obvious. So I don't see any problem in the case being continued in Patna and by the Patna investigation by the Patna police.
Mr. Singh, but what do you think about the Supreme Court dismissing this plea filed by filed by Alka Priya for the
So that
CBI
means
probe?
that Supreme Court will also allow Patna police only to examine, interrogate, investigate the matter. That means Supreme Court has not, they given any credence for a CBI probe in this matter. So I think it's a positive development as far as my client is concerned.
So you feel like the Supreme Court is saying, when they are saying that let the police do its job, you feel like it's the Patna police that they are playing the bets on?
Obviously, because that is the only police which is investigating this matter.
So right now, apparently, when they said that the case went to Supreme Court, and they said that right now the investigations were stalled in case of Mumbai police. Apparently, Riya's lawyer Shatis also said that even Bihar police needs to do the same till the Supreme Court sort of tells us clearly what's happening. What do you think about this?
No, there is no question of anybody for filing a transfer petition doesn't mean that the law will stop and will not stop. There is no way of anybody stopping in this case, and there is no stay by any competent court, and it will be losing very important, valuable, investigation details if the police were to hold its hand to await for Supreme Court. There is no reason, no justification. It is completely unheard of. There is nothing in our jurisprudence which requires the police to hold its hand just because matter is filed in Supreme Court. So I think this is something which is a very absurd kind of a suggestion.
Mr. Singh, since you mentioned about Kangana going on television and talking about the nepotism angle to be examined, she also claimed that, a lot of people that she knew were close to the family, told a lot of stories. Did she ever try contacting you all and providing help, saying that she wants to help you all in this investigation?
Well, to the best of my knowledge, she has not. But if she may have contacted some family members on a particular day, I have no idea on that.
No, your client is directly Mr. K.K. Singh. So did she contact the father?
No.
So you think that's an angle?
That's a completely different angle. It's a different angle. Supposing, I'll tell you, Rudrani, supposing tomorrow Bombay Police feels that any newcomer in this industry or any buddy coming from a small town needs some protection or needs some help, and if the Mumbai Police feels that it is a matter which can be said to be cognizable and Mumbai Police can have a role to play in this, they can go ahead and do it. I mean, let them give relief if they can. But in my view, I mean, my legal mind doesn't find this to be a matter for the police to go into at all. I mean, this is not something. There could be probably some kind of a sign goers association or some film producers association or some film star association or some newcomer association which could take up this matter. But I don't think the police has any role to play in this kind of angle which Kangana has suggested or anybody else has spoken about, and which also Sushant may have affected Sushant also in a small way. But that can't be the crime which is sought to be investigated, because even if there was, you have to first decide what crime will it be under the IPC. And if it is not a cognizable offence, the police has no jurisdiction to even do this questioning, so-called questioning that they are doing. So I feel that the Mumbai police, although it's considered to be a very professional police, has done a very shoddy job in this matter. And the way they are, calling everybody from the film industry and making them wait for hours together and then, sort of interrogating them on trivial issues, really speaking, is going nowhere in the Sushant Singh Rajput suicide matter.
You all have done your part. Mr. Vikas Singh, where do you see, what is your plan of action now? What is the plan of action of the family and your side as a lawyer?
So as of now, our plan of action is to wait and watch and see how Bihar Police is doing its job. If at some stage we feel that there is some monitoring to be required, we may approach the Patna High Court and ask for the monitoring of the probe. But as of now, we don't think there is any necessity. I think the Bihar Police is doing a good job and will do a good job. So we are keeping our fingers crossed. Thank you.
Great. Thank you so much. My last indeed has come. So there you are. Thank you, Mr. Vikas Singh.